Indian train looks like. So you see here. So you see here we got like. You see right here. These are the timings. And guys, these are called Shatabdi Express. And now I'm gonna show you how a train works. 2. So it's coming, guys. So right now, this train is actually very cool. That's not, Indian trains are actually not modern as American trains too. Actually. And right here, okay, now we're departing. And also there's a brake for this thing. You guys see how it works. Now we're leaving from the station. And right now, this is how the train looks like. And this is how the train looks like in the inside. And you can take a view from here. You can standing. How the train looks like when you're standing. Speeding by. But there's no people there. This is how the image looks like. It's not that good, right? But you can see all the outside from here. See guys, this is exactly like the station in India too. These are great. And right now the train is speeding up. And how it sounds like when you are in the train. This is how it sounds like when you're out the train. The train's speeding by right now. And right now we're at the signal. And right now, this is where the signal. The train looks like that. Right now it's just a
Express is arriving at Platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train
So see you back in the part 2, guys. Bye.